In our last video, we've explored some of Veed.io's powerful features, and today we're diving into deeper, covering tools like eye correction, removing backgrounds, using customizable templates. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a polished video complete with full background, but we're gonna strip that away and start with the basics. Ever wish you remove a messy background without a green screen? Well, Veed.io's background removal feature makes it possible in just one click. Let me show you how. In order to remove the background, head over to the Magic Tools where you see the removing background option. Click on it and let it do its magic. Of course, it will take some time for it to completely remove the white background. Voila! I can see now it's removed. Whether you're shooting from your living room or bedroom like me, this tool gives you a clean, professional look instantly. Ever found yourself looking at notes or the teleprompter at the wrong direction? In order to correct the eye position, you will need to upload a footage. So here's a clip of me talking to the teleprompter, but my eyes may not face the camera perfectly. So what I'll do is click on the correcting eye contact and let it run. And now you will see that my eyes is facing the camera. This is the result after using the eye correction tool. Amazing, right? And we know that this detail is very important, especially when you want to establish connections with your audience. It reduces distraction in your content. Just check out how this small adjustment completely changes the video's impact and it feels more personal and polished. Templates are a lifesaver for busy creators just like me. Veed.io offers a wide range of designs that can help you to customize and, of course, even tweak the colors, text, and layout to match your brand. And, of course, ensures consistent branding across platforms. Here's how I made this stunning YouTube video in under a minute using their templates. You have to do is hover to the template section. Here you will see various options and also selections. I'm gonna choose one of the options of this presentation of a lady. This is actually an avatar. Here you can choose any of the avatar available, and I'm gonna choose an avatar based on Devon, a Black American, and I'm gonna type in my script. Hi, I'm Devon and welcome to my tutorial on Veed.io, and I'm going to generate this script into a speech. Watch how I generate this video.
Hi, I'm Devon and welcome to my tutorial on Veed.io.
Here's another option if you decide not to choose any of the available avatar. So I will choose this clip of me talking and I will remove the background and create an avatar. I will superimpose this on an existing template. So here's the fun part. You can actually include an opening title by creating another layer which has the text. Also to create lists of things that you can include in your video, and you can animate it, of course. And there's so many options that you can do to make this video interactive. Here's the fun part. I'm going to replace this floating text into an opening title, Veed.io review. And of course, don't just limit yourself into text. You can include graphics and also logos to make your presentation or YouTube video an interesting one. This is great for YouTube presentation and, of course, your content. Veed.io is more than just an editor. It's a complete content creation powerhouse. Whether you're a marketer, a creator, a business owner, this tool makes video production faster, easier, and more impactful. Ready to get started? Click the link below to explore Veed.io today. I hope you enjoyed today's review on Veed.io. Do share on the comments below which features do you like best or you have tried before. Don't forget to give us a like as this helps a lot for my video content. And if you're new here, do subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting videos in the coming weeks. Have a great day and I'll see you again.